Hello everyone, welcome to the UCoders channel. Today we are gonna show you how MVC pattern implements in Swift. First of all, in iOS community, MVC pattern is a very common structural pattern used in the projects, and Apple used most of their frameworks also. MVC pattern has three components: a model, view, and view controller. Models have the properties of what we gonna show in the view, and view holds all the view components like UI label, UI text field, UI button, and view controller controls the model and view communication. In this playground we create a personal form and personal form view and personal view controller. First we create our model, personal model. It has three components: properties, name, surname, and age. And the view has views like we use IB outlet because we use storyboards in our projects mostly, and our views contain properties in IB outlet. Name, text field, oops, I'm missing something here. And lastly we implement our personal view controller, inherit from UI view controller. First we include our personal model. It's optional, and maybe when view controller opens, personal model must or maybe nil, and our after our fetch request we can easily fill that model. We implement this after our class finish. This is a computed properties, and when our view controller loaded, we return our view controller's view as personal view, or return nil. And lastly copy and paste these fields. And that's it. This should not text. Now what we're gonna do is, in here we create a personal view controller that has a personal model and personal view in that view controller, and when personal model is set in application flow, it update its fields in view. Thank you for watching. If you love this video and want to that kind of videos in future times, please subscribe our channels and be nice for yourself. Thank you.